Hello students, now we discuss some more topics of this chapter 10 mechanical properties of fluids. Our first topic is cohesive force. So what is the cohesive force? The force of attraction between similar molecules. This means the force of attraction between water molecules, between glass molecules is known as cohesive force. And adhesive force, the force of attraction between different molecules. This means the force of attraction between different substances, clear, is known as adhesive force. This means force of attraction between molecules of glass and molecules of water is known as adhesive force, clear. Now next is surface tension. So what is the surface tension? The property by virtue of which the free surface of a liquid behaves like an elastic membrane and has tendency to occupy minimum area is known as surface टेंशन. दिस मीन्स किसी भी लिक्विड की फ्री सरफेस की वो प्रॉपर्टी जिसका यूज करके वो एक इलास्टिक मेम्ब्रेन के तरीके से वर्क करता है और उसका नेचर होता है, वो उसकी टेंडेंसी होता है कि वो मिनिमम एरिया को ऑक्यूपाई करे, उस प्रॉपर्टी को बोलते हैं सरफेस टेंशन, क्लियर. एंड मैथमेटिकली द फोर्स एक्टिंग पर यूनिट लेंथ ऑफ ए इमेजिनरी लाइन on the surface of a liquid is known as surface tension. And surface tension. So students, next topic is surface energy. So what is the surface energy? It is the amount of work done. It is the amount of work done to increase the area of surface film of the fluid by unit amount. This means work done per unit area is known as surface energy. So surface energy E surface is equals to work done upon increasing area, clear. So unit is equals to joule per meter square and the dimension is equals to mt minus 2, and we know that surface tension also has same dimension mt minus 2. This means surface tension is numerically equal to this surface energy. This means surface tension is equal to this surface energy. Done. तो surface tension जो है वो numerically surface energy के इक्वल होती है, क्लियर ना. Now we will discuss about excess pressure inside a liquid drop. Done. So हम इसको रफ कर देते हैं और अब स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना नया टॉपिक. दिस मीन्स लिक्विड pressure inside a excess pressure inside a liquid drop. तो किसी भी लिक्विड ड्रॉप के अंदर कितना एक्सेस प्रेशर होता है उसको कंसीडर करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, एज वी नो द प्रेशर इनसाइड ए ड्रॉप इज ग्रेटर देन द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. किसी भी ड्रॉप के अंदर का जो प्रेशर होता है वो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर से क्या होता है, ग्रेटर देन होता है. सो लेट अस कंसीडर ए ड्रॉप ऑफ रेडियस r एंड इनसाइड प्रेशर p, क्लियर. ड्यू टू दिस प्रेशर द रेडियस ऑफ द ड्रॉप बिकम्स r प्लस डेल्टा r. दिस मीन्स इसका जो सरफेस एरिया है वो थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा dr से. सो न्यू जो रेडियस होगी वो r प्लस dr हो जाएगी, क्लियर ना. Yes or no? So the initial pressure or initial area of the drop. So as we know that drop is spherical, so area of the sphere 4 pi r square, equation number first. And final area A2 is equals to 4 pi r plus dr whole square and 4 pi r square plus dr square plus 2r dr, as dr is small, so dr square is very small, so we neglect this. Neglecting dr square. So area A2 is equals to 4 pi r square, bracket open करते हैं, plus 8 pi r dr. Clear? So the change in area, or it is equals to increase in area. Increase in area is equals to A2 minus A1. This means final area minus initial area. So A2 means 4 pi r square plus 8 pi r dr minus 4 pi r square. This cancel out. So increase in area is equals to 8 pi r dr. Clear? No? So the amount of work done to increase this area, W is equals to work done is equals to surface tension or surface energy into increase in area, and we know that surface energy is equals to surface tension. So surface tension S into increase in area 8 pi r dr. Clear? Where S is the surface tension of the liquid or surface tension of the drop. Clear ना? But we know that, I hope आपको ये समझ आ रहा होगा, but we know that work done is equals to force into displacement. Force means pressure into area. Pressure inside the drop is P, and initial area of the drop is 4 pi r square. Done. And displacement is this is small displacement dr. Clear ना? So this work done W is equals to this. Equation number simple. Clear ना? So as we know that this work done is equals to this work done. So P into 4 pi r square plus into dr is equals to S into 8 pi r dr. Now dr से dr cancel out and पाई टू पाई, एंड एक आर पावर से आर पावर कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, फोर्सेस को डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2. तो दिस मींस P इज इक्वल्स टू 2s अपॉन r. दिस इज द एक्सेस प्रेशर इनसाइड ए लिक्विड ड्रॉप, एंड वी नो दैट दिस इज द एक्सेस प्रेशर इनसाइड ए लिक्विड ड्रॉप, एंड एज वी नो दैट ऑन ए बबल और ऑन ए एयर बबल वी हैव 2 side air or 2 free surfaces inside and outside. So the excess pressure inside a air bubble is P is equals to 4s upon r. Because of air bubble have 2 free sides, this means both sides air inside and outside. Clear? No? So this is the excess pressure inside a liquid drop and a air drop. Clear? Thank you.